Do you sometimes feel that your voice is too quiet and that you want to speak a bit louder? I'm David Pope, and in my voice coaching work with business leaders throughout Asia, clients often ask me, how can I control the volume of my voice to use it more effectively? Let's look at how we produce volume. The human voice is produced by air from the lungs. When the diaphragm expands, it forces air out through the vocal folds and larynx, which add tone and pitch to the voice. But the volume depends on the force of the air that's pushed out from our lungs. So when you want to increase your volume, use your diaphragm to take a deep breath in and fill your stomach, lungs and chest to give your voice volume as you exhale. But a strong voice doesn't mean shouting. That will strain your voice. And it's important to avoid straining your voice, especially when you're speaking loudly. To avoid strain, breathe with your diaphragm and make sure you have good posture. Knowing how to use volume correctly is just one of the skills that will give your voice impact. But check out my online video course, Unlocking the Power of Your Voice, where I teach lots of other techniques that will help you transform your voice. For more information about this course and others, click on the link in the description or visit allvoicetalent.com, where you can sign up for a free 6-day mini course that will give you some tools to improve your voice right away. You can also learn more about me and my one-on-one coaching programs, workshops, and webinars. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with all the voice tips I share here on my channel. I'm passionate about helping you wherever you are in your career to find a strong, confident, and authentic voice for work, for leadership, for life.
Click the link in the description to check out this course. Let's get started working on your voice. Use your best voice with All Voice Talent.